trucking. We gonna do what they say can't be done. We've got a long way to go and a short time to get there.
Okay, here we go. We are gonna lift this puppy up. Oh, duck soup. I'm afraid to see what's down there though. Woo. So now we got this thing. Now, can anybody tell me what this is? It appears to be, being that I can see the bottom, there's a pipe. Looks like a drain pipe broken off. I can see the bottom. Let's get a flashlight and look in. I've got my super high powered Defiant flashlight. Let's see if we can see anything. Whoa, Nelly, that goes down a ways. Oh no, that's a reflection. Very clear water in there. My guess is by the looks of it, it's a cistern, but there's another drain line right there. Can anybody tell me? I'm not sure. But I do want to not waste my rainwater. And if this is a cistern, I'm good to go. I use this as a weight so I can see it easily. And hang it right over the pipe. I'll show you what I just did. Take this guy, go down. Yeah. And go down to the bottom. That's it. Coming up. We're out of the water. Now I know. At least I know what's down there. And what a handy storage place, huh guys?